The rain and melted snow that cascades down the western face of the Sierra Nevada mountains gives life to California, but also power. At the Northern California Power Agency, we borrow this gift from nature and use it to produce clean, carbon-free energy, generating enough power to meet the daily electrical needs of 250,000 homes.
Hydro is an exceptional generating resource because it's 100% renewable. Mother Nature provides the fuel in the form of rain and snow, and all you do is just divert that into a powerhouse and then you let it go. The velocity of the moving water turns a turbine, and we convert that into mechanical energy, which then gets converted through the generator into electrical energy. The water goes on its way, we're done with that, and we're left with the electricity.
The Stanislaus River watershed is the power source for this project.
We have 7 reservoirs. Some are up high near the crest of Ebbets Pass, and when that snow melts, it fills those reservoirs. Some of it overflows our upper reservoirs and comes down to our largest reservoir, New Spicer Meadows. And then we store that water, and we capture it until it's needed.
This large network of reservoirs gives us the freedom to actually store power by storing water, releasing it when energy needs are the greatest.
The minute someone turns on a light switch, a generator has to increase its output. One of the primary purposes of this project is it's constantly adjusting to match the supply to the consumption, and that has to be matched in real time.
One of the great benefits of this hydro project is its flexibility. It's extremely flexible. And we can go from 0 megawatts, zero flow, up to full load, 259 megawatts, back again to 0 in just a matter of minutes.
Flexible energy sources are key to the future of power generation in that they work in sync with renewables, such as wind and solar, backstopping those clean energy sources on calm or cloudy days.
When the cloud does pass by or the wind stops blowing, hydro is instantly available and dispatchable, and that serves as a great ability to integrate other renewables and be flexible to support grid operations.
The growing need for flexible power generation is why NCPA is investing in hydro, geothermal, and the high-efficiency, fast-start Lodi Energy Center. With an expected lifespan of more than 100 years, this hydroelectric system will produce affordable, reliable power for many years to come. Dependable, clean, affordable energy, ready to support California's power grid at the flick of a switch. The last of the large-scale hydroelectric systems built in California, this key component of the state's power infrastructure is also in tune with its environment. A system so beautiful, it's actually become a vacation destination. One local attraction, Calaveras Big Tree State Park, gets support from NCPA, enriching the experience for visitors from around the world. Our new Spicer Meadow Reservoir is open to the public, complete with a campground, picnic area, and boat ramp.
The High Sierra reservoirs created as part of this project are a true gem. There's just positive feedback coming in left and right for all the opportunities. People love coming up to play in the mountains, and they love water when they play in the mountains, and that's what these reservoirs provide.
With the development of these reservoirs, you're able to provide a much more constant supply of cold water. And as a result, the river fishery is much better now than it was before this project.
NCPA is also a model of corporate citizenship, working with the state of California to help reduce greenhouse gases.
California has developed a series of environmental goals, carbon goals. The first target that had to be met in the state was a 20% renewable portfolio. By participating at NCPA with a number of the projects, all of our members made that target. Recently, the state has established 2 new goals, a 50% renewable portfolio standard, as well as a 40% carbon reduction. Our members, by participating in these projects, are well positioned and well on their way to meeting those goals.
The Calaveras County Water District is an integral piece of this system. It's their water that powers these hydroelectric turbines, and NCPA is a responsible steward of that water. We keep it clean and whole. None of it's consumed. Yet, on its way from here to here, that water has generated clean, dependable electricity for 250,000 households, carbon-free, solid as the mountains. This system is helping to meet California's energy needs now and for decades to come.